Hi angels, hi my loves, it's lvluxegirl back again with another video. So today's video I have a Coach unboxing. I have one item that I want to unbox as well as just a couple other little items that I want to talk to you ladies about. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. Go ahead, remember to hit that like button right now as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in with speaking about some of these Coach items. So the first item that I wanted to talk to you guys about was this little lovely jewelry box right here, and it's by Coach. So I recently picked up this cute little adorable jewelry box by Coach, and I really wanted to, use it, and I thought it would come in handy for my Pandora bracelets. So this is what it looks like on the interior. When you first open it up, it has a little cover right there, and it's just basically you zip it. This is the way it looks around the whole box, and it's such an adorable little jewelry box. It's very tiny and very small, but I thought I could use it for my Pandora bracelets. So it has a piece on the interior that you're just gonna lift up, and when you lift it up, that's the way it looks right there on the interior. It has a little space for a few rings or earrings, and then you could put something else there. So I thought that this cute little adorable Coach jewelry box would come in handy and would help me storing some of my Pandora beads and charms, my dangles when I'm not using them, as well as it could fit one bracelet, on the top. It can fit one bracelet at the top right there, and you can close it with one bracelet. So it's a nice little travel jewelry piece. So, if I'm traveling out of town or, visiting anyone, any of my family, any of my relatives, or if I'm traveling out of town overnight or anything like that, it's an adorable little overnight jewelry box. Or, just a jewelry box that I could store a few of my extra Pandora charms in. So I really was happy when I was able to go ahead and pick up this little piece right here. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, it's very, very tiny, and I have it in this beautiful, beautiful metallic color. So that's the first item that I wanted to speak with you ladies about. So the next Coach item that I wanted to speak with you ladies about is right here. And I have it right here. I haven't unwrapped it yet, but it's in here. And it's basically a Coach visor. It's a signature Coach visor. And let's go ahead and open up this piece so we could talk about it. I haven't opened it up yet. This was the way I got it. So let me go ahead and open her up. And this is what she looks like. So this is the Coach signature visor. And I believe that's what it's called. It says Coach signature visor. And the thing with the visors, they're one size fits all. And I'm sweating right now. I don't want to mess up my baby ears. And I know I'm sweating a little bit because it's so warm. It's been so hot where I am. But we had one day that was a little bit of a relief. It was in the 70s as far as the heat. And then it went right back to the 90s, you guys. So forgive me for looking shiny and for, sweating a little bit. But I do want to go ahead. The reason I chose to get the visor in black. Now, the thing is, I recently picked up a few, a Coach shoe. I recently picked up a Coach shoe in the signature print, and it's the Halle. It's the Halle Coach shoe, and I have it right here. And I recently picked up this baby in the signature Coach print, the brown monogram signature print. And for a minute, I really thought, well, why didn't I get them to match? In the summertime, I could wear my sandals and then wear my visor. That would look so cute together. But then I opted to go with the darker color visor because I wear, from time to time, I change my hair color, from blonde to red to black and different colors sometimes. And, I had the same thing with my UGG earmuffs. I noticed some of my hair color transferred onto my UGG earmuffs last fall. So I didn't want to get any color transfer or anything on the visor. So I chose to go with the darker visor, although I am a little bit regretful because, you know, I could have got the color visor to match the shoe, but I just said it's okay. It's not that serious. It's okay if the visor doesn't match. You know, they're both Coach. You know, it's okay if they don't match to a T. You know, I could still go ahead and wear them and use them together. So let me go ahead and see if I could take this little Coach, if I could go ahead and take that off. And it would have helped if I had some scissors in here, but it's okay. It's a small unboxing, unpackaging. See, I handled it. I could handle it. I was worried for a minute there. And then it has this. Now, I talked to you guys as well about this. I don't know why they put these long tags on their items. You know, I noticed the same thing with my Coach ties, with my Coach Twillies and bandeaus. They have the really, you know, when they come with this long piece, and, you know, I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of that off because of course you don't want to wear your visor with this long piece protruding, you know. So, and then it also has a nice little Coach. It has a tab right there. I hope you guys can see that. It says Coach right here on this tab. You know, not that you would need it to because it's monogram. You're going to know it's Coach when you see, you know, when you're wearing it. But it does have that cute little detail of that little tab right there. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try this on. And I wish I had my scissors in here so that I could go ahead and snip this tab on camera. But it's okay. I'm going to go ahead. I'll show you guys when I come back, when I cut that part off. And this is just elastic. I'm a little worried about that because I have a big head and I have a lot of hair, a lot of natural hair. So I didn't know if this was Velcro. I wasn't sure about it online when ordering. And it turns out it's not Velcro. It's just an elastic band. Also, I worry about that a little bit because things with elastic bands tend to give me a little bit of a headache if I wear them for too long. So I was hoping it was Velcro, but it has an elastic band. So we're gonna see how this works out with all my natural hair and if I can tolerate this elastic band without getting a headache, you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and see. And I don't wanna mess up my baby hair as well, like I said. Let's go ahead and see how this works out. Oh, okay. I like it. Okay. I'm liking it. And I didn't have to put my ponytail. I absolutely like this. I think it looks so cute. Okay. So yeah, I think this is gonna work out. And I could also put my ponytail, you know, right now I have it over my ponytail, but I have it at the top, so I have it over my ponytail. But if I wanted to, I could put it under and put my ponytail on top and wear the band under the bottom. We'll try that in a minute. And I wanted to see how they look with my glasses, with my Dior glasses. Oh, I like it. I'm liking it. So yeah, you guys, and of course, like I said, I'm gonna cut this tag. We don't want that tag, but this is really nice. I'm really gonna like wearing it, and I'll be able to put my ponytail on the top. So yeah, you guys, thank you for sticking it out with me for this Coach unboxing and unwrapping, as well as talking about my Coach new little jewelry box that I recently picked up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, as well as come back for more videos. Check out my playlist on Coach, and I'll see you again soon in another video.